Capturing local sports used to mean shaky phone videos or missing key plays, hardly ideal for players or fans. The dream? A camera that could follow the action automatically, no crew required. Companies like Veo set out to make this a reality, aiming to bring pro-level filming to everyone. Early automated cameras struggled with tracking and video quality, but the concept was revolutionary. Veo's approach, rugged hardware plus smarter AI, making recording and streaming simple for any team. Each new version improved tracking, video, and user experience shaped by real feedback. Now the Veo 3 promises 4K video, advanced AI, and live streaming, a major leap forward. But does it truly deliver on making professional sports filming accessible to all? Unboxing the Veo 3, you notice its durable field-ready design, no frills, just function. The standout upgrade, dual 4K lenses. Excited. Imagine capturing every thrilling moment in stunning detail. For a panoramic, crystal-clear view of the entire field, this setup gives the AI more data, enabling smooth, natural panning and zooming. Edge distortion is reduced, making the footage more immersive. Connectivity gets a boost with built-in 5G for seamless live streaming. No more Wi-Fi hassles. Battery life now covers a full match and then some. Setup is quick. Mount the camera, connect via the app, select your sport, and you're ready in minutes. The app is intuitive, lowering the barrier for coaches and volunteers. Every upgrade addresses real-world pain points from earlier models. Veo 3 is all about making pro-level recording effortless for any team. With Veo 3 in action, the 4K footage is a game-changer. Vivid colors, sharp details, and smooth digital zoom. The AI's tracking is impressively accurate, following the game flow like a skilled camera operator. It anticipates action, rarely losing track, and adapts well to different sports, low light and tough weather. The camera holds up, delivering clear footage even at night or in rain. The rugged build means you don't worry about the elements. Live streaming via 5G is seamless, just set up and broadcast in high quality. For coaches, the clarity aids tactical analysis. For fans, it's like watching a pro broadcast. The system transforms every match into a shareable event, boosting team visibility. No crew needed, just set record and stream. Veo 3 elevates both the experience and the quality of amateur sports coverage. Veo 3 isn't just an upgrade, it's a leap in automated sports filming. 4K video, smarter AI, and 5G streaming make it essential for serious teams. The catch? Full features require a subscription, adding ongoing costs. For competitive clubs, schools, and semi-pro teams, the investment pays off in coaching tools and fan engagement. The platform's analytics and highlight features are top tier, but tied to the subscription. Veo 3 lets coaches focus on coaching, not filming, and gives players pro-level footage for development or recruitment. It bridges the gap between amateur and professional sports broadcasting. For teams ready to invest, Veo 3 is a true game changer, easy to recommend for those who want to elevate their game.